I'm going to be showing you how you can find a $5,000 per day dropshipping product using this product research method that no one, and I literally mean no one, has ever spoken about before on YouTube. And the reason why I'm so confident is because this exact strategy has enabled me to find my latest dropshipping winning product that is now doing between $3,000 and $5,000 per day. Now, before we actually get into this product research method, I'm going to be giving away a list of 20 winning products if this video hits 1,500 likes within 48 hours. And that will be in the pinned comment and in the description below. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to come to this website called Square Dance. I'll leave it linked in the description. I'm not affiliated with them. I'm not associated with them. And most importantly, this website's not even designed for product research. It's designed for something completely different that I'll be explaining a little bit later, because this is part of the strategy. Now, once you're inside of your Square Dance account, you want to go over to where it says discover, and then it's going to show you different products here on the platform. Now, this website is a platform designed for e-commerce marketing buyers or media buyers that are looking to do affiliate marketing. We're not signing up to be an affiliate. We're signing up to see who's making loads of money with their e-com and dropshipping products, and if we can sell similar products or find the exact same ones if they are dropshippers. So here on the top left, you're going to see newly added and top performing. Now, you want to change this to top performing, and the thing that you want to pay full attention to is this running man here. So you can see here it shows this little man running, and it says 16, 86, 31. Now, what does this mean? This means that there's 31 advertisers selling this product for the brand. So that means there's 31 affiliates that have signed into this platform that are now running ads for this company. So obviously, the more advertisers running ads for these brands mean that there's more lucrative opportunity for that product. Why would 31 people run advertisements for this product and then there's 86 people running it for this? Obviously, this one makes more sense because it's easier to sell. Now, something to bear in mind, in not all of these products that you're going to find on here are ideal for dropshippers. Because, for example, this one here is a digestible product that I wouldn't recommend that you sell. Now, you could definitely find something similar to this on AliExpress, but you should not be selling digestible or edible products. Now, if we scroll through all of these little products that are popping up on the shelf, you can see here there's some bedding products, there's some glasses. What you really want to pay attention to is how many people are advertising for these products. If it's zero, it doesn't mean it's a bad product. It just means that it's not as lucrative as, let's say, this one here, which is people that are selling bedding. Now, if you scroll down, you're going to see other recommended brands to work with to advertise their products. So there's a few here that's ideal. For example, this fashion product, for example, this dog product, for example, this home product that's designed to help you with your back. You've got some iron steam cleaner that 3 people are running advertisements for. Now, what you want to do is once you find some products that are grabbing your attention, you want to click on the product. Now, when you click on the product, it's going to give you all the information like their website link, their offer, when did they become a brand. Now, you want to scroll down to where it says preview, and you want to right click the image, and you want to go to where it says search goods on AliExpress by this image. Now, you won't be able to do this unless you download the Chrome extension called AliExpress Image Search. I'll link it in the description. Again, I'm not affiliated with them. I'm not sponsored by them, but this is one of the easiest ways to use this method correctly. And just like that, guys, the product is available on AliExpress. You can see loads of people selling it on AliExpress. Now, if we go back to the Square Dance info for this product, you can see it's got a link to their website. So if I click it, you can see their website's popping up, and I can get an idea of how much they're selling these products for and what their funnel looks like and what their website looks like if I want to implement some strategies that they're using on their website. Now, this product is called a pickleball or a paddleboard. And honestly, I know tennis, I know badminton, but I've never heard of this sport before. Now, you can see I've gone on AliExpress and searched for the product name, and you can see there's loads of advertisers that have got 2,000 orders. So this product already generates a lot of income on AliExpress. So that just pushes my narrative of this product makes a lot of money. And be honest with me, guys, in the comment section below, how many of you guys knew about this product? I completely didn't know about it. Now, if we go on to Google Trends, you can see I've typed in the name of the sport. I've changed it to worldwide past 5 years. You can see since 2022, this sport has blown up. It's gone parabolic, as you can see. Now, that's exactly what I want to see as an advertiser, because this means that there's natural momentum and demand for this product. Now, if I go to the ad library, this brand's currently only running one ad for the product. But if I go onto the ad library and look for the actual search term of the brand or the sport, you can see loads of advertisers selling different things for this sport. So that means that there's a lot of money to be made in this industry, or all of these advertisers wouldn't be running these ads. Now, if I take it a step further and actually type in the name of the sport and then the product name, which is the paddleboard, you can see there's loads of advertisers now selling these paddles. And you can see here, these guys wouldn't be running these ads if there wasn't money to be made in this industry. Now, even better, I've gone onto TikTok and typed in the name of the sport and then the paddle. There's videos here getting 13,000, 53,000. I've seen some other videos that have got 300,000, 1.2 million views. So that means there's even demand on TikTok, so you could run organic videos. Now, what I want to go over is the fundamentals of the product success. So I've just found that product. Now, most of my competitors would be selling that product between $70 and $90. I can buy this product on AliExpress for around about $10. Now, I want to make sure that I'm making at least a 3.5 times more than the product, or between 4 and 5x. You want to try and sell products in 2024 that are being sold to a class of people that have already got money and they're not frugal with their money. This is a sport designed for those that have good money. It's like a golf product. It's those that have got money already, and we're selling it to an age group where they're not going to be stingy with their money. They're not going to worry about spending $40 to $60 on this. They've got the money to spend it. Now, the last fundamental thing that I want to mention is when you find a winning product, guys, it doesn't take much for it to do well. You can literally run an ad and it starts doing very well. And even if your website is bad or your creatives are not perfect, you're still going to get crazy traction. So, Ecom King family, I just wanted to quickly grab your attention before we move on with the next part of the video, because I wanted to quickly announce my Ecom King deals page that you can find linked in the description and in the pinned comment. Now, the benefit of you guys using this is I've partnered up with companies that you're going to use either way in your e-commerce and dropshipping journey. For example, Shopify, TikTok ads, Hostinger. These are all platforms and companies you're going to use regardless of me. Now, of course, the benefit that I get in return for you guys using these links is a small kickback in monetization, and that's just a great way for you guys to show your appreciation for the content that I bring you, which is always top graded content on the YouTube channel. Now, for example, you can see here we've got the Shopify deal link here. You can use my exclusive free theme using this link. You can get a TikTok ads bonus. You can get a free domain name. You can get a discount on Zendrop if you want to use their pro plan, and you can get loads of other cool deals in the e-commerce space. Now, I do want to say that you don't have to use these links, guys. If you don't want to, you can just use the regular links, but this is just a great way to show your support to the channel. Now, with all of that being said, guys, let's get straight back into the strategies of how to find these products. Now, what I've done, guys, is I've gone onto Google and typed in affiliate marketing physical products, because this is going to give me links to website blogs, or it's going to give me a link to articles that are going to tell me what are the best websites or platforms to use to become an affiliate to sell these physical products. Remember, we're dropshippers. We want to sell physical products, not services. Now, I'm going to show you guys a really good example of what I'm trying to say if you don't quite understand what I'm saying so far. So I've just gone onto this website blog here, and it's giving me a link to all the different companies and brands that offer an affiliate marketing platform. So eBay offer their own affiliates. Now, this one you really do want to sign up to, and I'll explain why in a minute. Now, if we keep scrolling down, you can see loads of other companies that are offering these: Best Buy, Target, Walmart. And I'm going to be honest with you, you're going to want to sign up to most of these. Now, I'm going to be showing you guys two examples of what I mean. So let's say, for example, we want to go onto Walmart. So I've opened up two websites that most of you guys are going to know about. The first one is Shein or Shine. I don't know how to really say this brand, but it's basically women's clothing at an affordable price. And this brand blew up and everyone pretty much knows about it now. The next one is Walmart. Now, when we go to these websites as a consumer, this is the consumer's website to buy from them. You're not going to see on here their best sellers. So you can see here, it says nowhere here what their best sellers are, and it's not telling me what to buy. Now, if I go into Shein, it's not telling me the same thing. It's not showing me what their best sellers are. It's telling me the trending brands. It's not telling me what's actually making the most money, because we're coming to these websites as consumers. Now, both of these companies offer an affiliate marketing platform. So if we sign up and log in as an affiliate, what it's going to show me is completely different. It's going to actually show me what's making the most money. So as an affiliate, I push that product. So you're actually spying on these brands as an affiliate to see what's making the most money, so you can find something similar, or if not the same, and then sell it yourself. Now, I'm going to show you the exact same strategy as I did on Square Dance. Now, this is one of the companies that they recommend to sign up as an affiliate to find products to sell as an affiliate. So this one is called Return Advertising, and you can see here I'm on Find Advertiser Products links. Now, here on the search bar, you can search by niche. I've searched by gym, and it's showing me loads of gym products that are coming up. Now, I've changed this to beauty, and you can see loads of other beauty products are coming up, and they're coming from loads loads of different brands. So these are big brands, some of them are small brands, and you can see loads of them that are coming up. Now, the products that are coming up are the products that are already making the most money for these brands, and they're just looking for affiliates. Now, these brands are not allowed to show all of their products on these platforms. They're limited to a few, so they're only going to show you the ones that are making them the most money. Now, I've typed in toys and I've scrolled down, and you can see loads of kids' toys are coming up. Now, what I want to do is I want to right click on this and search with AliExpress. Again, we're just using this to find the product. And again, by right clicking it, I found the exact same product, if not a very, very similar product. But this is the method that I'm using right now to find products, and I'm finding some very, very good ones right now using this method. And I want you guys to be honest with me in the comment section and let me know if you've ever seen anyone talk about a method like this before. I honestly haven't. I'm not saying I'm a genius by finding this, but I think it's a very smart way to find products. And make sure that if you want to learn how to implement these products into a dropshipping store and run ads for it, make sure you watch the free course. It's so important that you guys watch the free course. It's completely free. It's 6 hours long, and it'll teach you how to take these products into a dropshipping store on Shopify so that you can start making some sales and revenue. And don't forget to get this video to 1,500 likes in 48 hours so you can get a list of 20 winning products.